Hi, my name is Aarul, and today I'm going to show you about a aerial drone and a Rover Explorer for VEX. Remember my other one? They all came in a pack. Here's one. Here's the aerial drone. Here's my Rover. The aerial drone has a landing sequence too. Rovers can do this and this, and I have a surprise for you. Just needed to let you know. And it's my sister, Sanvi.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanvi. I've started my own channel, Sanvi's Reading Reviews. You can check it out for cool and awesome short videos about book reviews. I made this Rover, and I just wanted to be here so that I could show you.
Actually,
they're meant to be solar devices, meant to catch the sunlight. And this satellite, it connects to the satellite on like satellites down in space, so that this can go.
Can you move it now?
So that this can give signals, and then this can catch the sunlight. It sends messages to the area drone and the other VEX space things, so that they know, hey, it's time to launch.
Guys, you know that remember the one where I did a mobile science lab? They all came in a set. And here's the aerial drone. I need to share this because I made it. Even though it was my sister's Explorer. She never got time to make it when I always did it. So, I made it for her. And the thrusters can spin. And there's stickers here, stickers there. As you can see, there's 5 stickers. That was just upside down. And can you read this? Caution. Thrusters? There's caution. Thruster blast. And let me read. It does have tilting fan plates. The fact that both of them are VEX. See these green screws? Those are the hardest parts. And the rotors can tilt. They can do that. And bye, guys.
Bye.